Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This one's going to make you laugh. Just a little illustration of what can go wrong when you're using those horrible car ramps to look under the front of the car. I was just about to scope out a bit of work, which I'll tell you about in another video, and didn't align them, so you can probably tell what's going to happen. Luckily, I wasn't injured. The car wasn't injured either. I really got away with it. So I hope this brings a smile to your face. Back again soon. Cheers.